sisters and brothers of the binary ocean, sup. Apple had their worldwide developer conference for 2021 this week. Their launch event was on Monday, and they unveiled a whole bunch of new and cool and exciting features. They talked about some privacy features, some just fun features, some accessibility features. One in particular that I want to talk about, and that is the AirPods feature, in which a person wearing AirPods can amplify the voice of the person in front of them that's talking, and then they can, on their phone, which is connected to their AirPods, they can turn down the volume of the background noise so they can make it a lot easier to pick up what somebody is saying. It's like a hearing aid almost, but it's like a hearing aid on steroids. When I would go out to restaurants with my grandmother, she would have this issue where she couldn't distinguish my voice from the background noise in the restaurant, whatever it was with her ears. It just, my voice, even though it was louder and right in front of her, would get mixed in with the background noise. And I think a lot of elderly people have this issue with their ears. And these AirPods, this feature with AirPods can solve that. And Apple talked about how it can solve this problem and the accessibility, the wonderful feature. But what they didn't mention, and what I want everybody to be aware of, is that this solution can also come with a cost, and that cost is that this can be used for malicious purposes. I could be at a restaurant, having a conversation that I want to be private. I could be talking with my voice low, maybe whispering, and somebody a couple tables over that not even aware of, because it's not like they have this big microphone or something or a camera, right? It's just these little tiny AirPods. They could be, directing their AirPods toward me, and they could use their software on their device, and they could pick up my voice from across the restaurant. Now, maybe Apple is gonna, put in some code in there or whatever, some features, I don't want to call them features, but just some technical specifications that will make it so that it's harder to use these devices maliciously. And I'm not saying that Apple should get rid of this feature or anything like that, because I think it's a great feature. I think it can help a lot of people, but I just want to spread awareness and make you aware and others aware that it does invade our privacy a bit. And it's funny because Apple's event talked about privacy in a number of ways.
At Apple, we believe privacy is a fundamental human right.
Then at the same time, they have this accessibility feature that is could be a huge invasion of privacy. It's like Big Brother stuff, like somebody picking up your conversation from across the room that you want to be private. And so, what it comes down to, and what it has come down to for years with this technology and privacy, is that you just have to be very careful about where and when and what's around you when you're having private conversations. What we can do is we can look at it critically, and we can make ourselves aware. Awareness is a huge part of the solution. So as long as we're aware and we're looking at technologies critically before we adopt them, I think we can come out okay. So that's the whole point of this video. I just wanted to share that, spread the awareness. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
What? Let's go, Kipper. I think we should take this someplace a little more private.
That's a good idea.